Howdy folks, today we're going to be cooking some burgers. Put them on our grill. Turn our heat down a little bit. Let them cook. We'll check back soon. Alright, we're going to flip these burgers over. It's been about 10 minutes. And add some onion to a couple of these. And shortly we'll add some cheese to them. Alright, now we're going to add some cheese to these. Getting our onions cooked a little bit. We're going to let the cheese melt. Might as well turn this off. Give it about 5 minutes and they should be done. Alright, our cheese is melted. We're going to take these off. Here's a close-up. Thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe.